Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how you can redeem redeem codes in Roblox. So for that you can use your browser to go to roblox.com, or you can use the Roblox player as well. So first of all, you'll have to log in with the account in which you want to redeem the codes. Then when you log in, you'll see menu like this. You'll have to press on your Roblox amount. As you can see, there is a button in the Roblox. Press on that, it will give you this drop down menu where you'll see this redeem Roblox codes. Press on that, it will take you to this redeem page where you'll see this code field. You'll have to simply type it in your code, and then you'll simply have to press this redeem button, and your code will be redeemed like this. So if you want to watch more video, there is a video here as well. All you have to do is click on it and it will give you a tutorial on how to redeem it again. So that is all for today guys. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.